Hello, everybody. My name is Vincenzo, and I'm a value investor. I invest and buy everything I see, then I consider cheap enough, and I understand. So that's my style. In 2021, my portfolio has been performing about 15% gain, and you can see all the my holding in the. There is a link below. There are not all my holding. There are all the holding I speak about on YouTube. So today I'm going to speak to you about my last purchase. I load on a company called Modern Land China, and the symbol is 1107 on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. And before I go with the details of the company, my style is to not to be fully invested when the market. I consider the market overvaluated. I consider the U.S. market overvaluated in an asymmetric way, in which technology and electric vehicles are very overvaluated, and some other companies no. But overall, I don't consider U.S. very attractive now. So I'm buying more in the China side, and it's, in my opinion, is a little bit undervaluated. So I bought modern land for at the price of 0.8 Hong Kong dollars. So as today it's 0.82, so around the range. I always try to make videos right before I buy something. So if you want to buy something, you can buy. It's not an offer for you to buy, but you may consider it. And why I bought this company? The fundamental to me are fairly good. There is a PE ratio of 2.6, and a dividend yield is around 9.30. So this is the the bottom line. So the value then I consider when I screen companies and I check for it. So I consider this very good to start. And these guys, Modern Land, they are developers in China. They've been a stable developers, so they are not very big in terms of size. They're medium-sized developers, medium small size. But I'm appealed by them because they have their own technology inside the building, so they're using the proprietary technology to make the building blocks, the apartments, more environmentally friendly. They consume better. They're more comfortable, and they're having a steady share of market. They've been acquiring land. All these numbers are in the report, the 2020 report. You can have a look in details. I can leave the link if you want. Just comment. And so I see this a well-managed company. They have a bit of debt, that's true, but the debt is mostly long-term. So I see the debts within the currency macro situation as not such a big problem. Apartments are always fashionable, especially in China, where the urbanization is still going on. So in the rural area, they're still moving and they're upgrading the standard of living. So there is still quite a bit of demand for the apartments. So overall, looking at the statements, you can see screenshots here of the performances. I consider this a good buy. I expect this company not to do 10 times the price I bought it, but I consider to double in a couple of years. And while I'm waiting for it, I'm collecting a very nice dividend. So that's why I bought this company. I decided to grade my buy with letters from A to E. So I would consider, so 8 is the top grade that companies gonna buy, so the less speculative, the most secure, and the E is the least secure or most speculative. I will rate this company like as C. So it's not top grade, but it's in my opinion has a lot of potential to looking at the dynamics of the company, looking at the numbers, looking at the business model. Has a good opportunity for me to provide a good return, but there is quite a bit of risk involved, always quite a bit of risk considering my style involved in the company buy. So that's my take. And I'm as today I'm invested about 60% of my overall capital. in any time of condition, I want to go to around 70% and waiting for opportunity to get fully invested. As the moment, I don't see great opportunities, so I can wait and wait for better conditions. If you have any question, if I overlook something about the company or if I haven't explained something properly, please comment. Check my other videos if you are interested in buying the type of stocks and I like it. So this is my personal style. And thank you for watching and have a good day and be safe.